These are the craziest
Well, of course. Is it not normal outside?
nature videos from the past 10 years.
Yep. Boom! That was a satisfying boom. Boom shakalaka. If this would have been my mother, she would have screamed her head off. I like how the guy is just like, hold on. Hold on.
Don't move.
It's okay. Boom! Whee!
This man went on
Moist.
a tour boat to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
That's probably the worst when you see it coming, but there's nowhere to run. Like, you're fucked. Uh-oh. Yep.
Wow!
Boom!
The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
What? That was a nice accent. The wildest thing. He said the V like I do. The wildest
The
thing.
wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
What the fuck? Oh, that was like the side of the fucking balcony. Look. Yeah, that I think that was like the balcony handle. What the fuck? Damn.
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
Hey,
Uh-oh.
Back in 2020,
I love how he hesitated till the very last moment. Like, should I run? No. Should I run? No. Should I?
Back in 2020, this cruise ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves.
This is going to be you guys at the TwitchCon boat hotel thingy. Just whee!
Back in 2016, these people were hiking in Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot.
Wada 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 wada! Wada? Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, that is a bad spot. Oh shit.
This guy was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet.
Ekentusku.
Back
The
at-
SS Rotterdam is in harbour. The only waves there are from the boats passing, or from Skull's mother getting out of bed.
Jesus
Zing.
Christ. See? So you're telling me it's possible, right? It's possible.
In 2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain.
Dude, that's the corruption from Terraria just spreading onto a different biome. Yep. Grandma, please. You can't just stand there, Grandma. Thunder. The tree is naked now.
In 2023,
I love how there's just one guy just. It's like he's not even there. He's just.
in 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks.
Holy shit. Uh-oh.
That was his favorite tree.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
This volcano exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
Here we go.
Why does it look like a person? Like a person coming out of the volcano.
Huge shockwave.
Here we go.
It's kind of like when someone gets summoned. Like a CGI. Am I the only one see it? Like this could be from a movie where you just literally summon someone with magic.
Exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
Just like boop, 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 boop. Yeah, you can see it coming.
Where do we get the boom?
Boom!
On November 30th, 2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska.
Oh my god, he's barefoot on snow. What about the wife? Oh yeah, I see the wife can fuck herself. Okay, fine. I mean, I get it, but Jesus, there was no hesitation. It's like a kid, okay, I got you. Wife, you get out. If you don't, it was nice being with you.
This volcano in Indonesia erupted
yeah.
and created some of the
I guess I see who is the favorite in the house. Jesus.
craziest volcano lightning you will ever see.
Aww. That's so pretty. It's like sparkles. It's kind of like spacey chaos magic. Very pretty. Very nice.
Nebraska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year.
Bro, imagine you wake up and you look outside and this is what you see and it's like, ah, it's that time of the year, huh? I see. There goes my neighbor, Joe. Bye, Joe.
Back in 2019, a super rare event happened that allowed parts of Southern California to receive snow.
Ah. It's the global warming, man. We are fucked. If California has snow, we are fucked. Never mind. They are fucked.
And they also got to experience what snow lightning is like.
Got my umbrella, but
The fuck is snow lightning? Snow lightning? Yeah, a what? Excuse me? Another thing I never knew about, but now I'm going to be worried about it? What the fuck? It's a lightning, but in snow. Oh, hooray.
I know I'm gonna get wet. And look out, like, our street is starting to flood.
Imagine seeing
Thank God she wasn't startled.
Like, our street is starting to flood.
ima-
Yeah, that was perfectly cut.
imagine seeing this on your way to work. This is what the morning commute looked like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December 2017.
I remember these fires. Is it too horrible to say that it kind of looks good though? Like it's very cinematic. I know it's sad and whatnot, but it's very cinematic. Yeah, this was a big fucking deal, dude. It does look awesome.
Back in 2019, this
Even if it's not good.
giant landslide happened in China.
Why yellow? Uh-oh. Why yellow? This looks like a nice bolognese sauce with some broccoli in it. I would eat it.
About 12 months ago, a super
Delicious.
intense tornado went past this guy's house in Illinois.
I'm not sure if I would be brave enough to record it when you have these kind of winds, My homie is just chilling in the garage, having it like up. It's like, ooh, can I? Damn.
This hailstorm in Texas was so
Brave. Brave.
intense that the hail started coming inside the home.
It's free ice! Hooray!
He left something outside in the rain and had to go get it. About 7 months ago,
I don't believe that. I don't think he left outside anything. I think he wanted to meme.
these people in
was
China were
that thing
dealing
there.
with some pretty crazy wind.
My dude is just like, wait on! I still need you! Please don't go! I can change! Yeah.
Here's another rock slide video that happened in China in 2023.
Hey, yum.
That's the best goddamn pirate I've ever seen.
Pretty good, huh? Are you jealous?
Back in 2015, Los Angeles had a very rare tornado event.
But there goes the roof. Uh-oh. Wait. Lightning into water? That's a thing? I never thought about it. Never thought about it that it can happen to water too. Oh, that was good. Huh.
How is it going, Kato? To your
Hiya.
heart.
I am learning great things in life. For example, that you are never safe from lightning, not even in water.
About 6 years ago,
I'm not saying it can't. It's just I just simply never thought about it, since it always happens like to like higher things. Thor fighting underwater. I hope he won.
these people recorded their escape
Holy
from a
shit.
wildfire in California.
Damn. Oh wow. Oh shit.
This reporter in France got
I'm not sure if a little would be enough on that. I mean, if you look at it, there is quite a lot of fire on this picture. I'm helping. It's okay. See, we fixed it. We might need to. Yeah, you're right. There you go. We fixed it. Easy GG. Done and gone.
this reporter in France got a little too close to this wave.
It's okay. Monthly shower. Whee!
Back in 2018 in Hawaii, this car was parked in the worst spot possible.
It's gonna touch. It's gonna touch. Is it going to blow up? Uh-oh. Burn
May
only?
20
Oh, man.
2016, one of the biggest tornadoes
Hey, Salad! What do you mean cars don't explode in real life? That's not true. Surely they do, right? No? It's a movie thing. There's no way. Cars don't have exploding stuff. What about like the oil and the engine and whatnot? You haven't seen too many movies? Are you gaslighting me? That burns? There is no way that it cannot. It just burns. What? There's no way. Really? They never explode? Like never ever? What the fuck? No, they tell the truth. It mostly just burns. Damn. I feel gaslit.
tornadoes in the history of Kansas was spotted.
That's good.
Damn.
I know that icebergs are bigger underwater than above water, but this is kind of crazy.
Skedaddle, skedoodle.
Thank
Your
you,
dick is now
Mom.
little. It's a man. Ah. Ah? Oh shit. Boom, congratulations, you have an island now. Do you like it?
In Pakistan in 2018, these people got a little too close to this avalanche.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
In 2020, this plane
Well, yeah. Well, yeah.
was struck by lightning when flying over Finland.
I guess Finland doesn't like foreigners?
This giant boulder came within inches of crushing this house.
That's a nice rock. You know, if it would be my mom, she would be like, I want to take this home. My mother has a weird and unnatural fascination with rocks. But like big ones. Like I remember she took one, like my mom and my dad was visiting a nearby city and she found a fucking huge rock and she just took it to the car. But like it's, you know, big enough that two of them had to like lift it into the car. I don't know why. She just loves rocks that are big.
Unfortunately,
Yeah.
two other boulders managed to break free and
Oh,
destroy the other side of the
no.
house.
I want to break free.
In 2019, this cruise ship near
Oh, that
Norway
was good.
encountered some heavy seas.
Hey Reap! Thank you so much for the tier 3! Thank you so much.
Get that on video.
Bonk.
In 2021, these people were rock climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened.
Oh. But you know, if the mountain disassembles in front of you, you don't have to climb higher, then you're already on the top.
This snowboarder in Nevada accidentally triggered a giant avalanche.
What? Wait, she triggered the avalanche?
Nevada accidentally triggered a giant avalanche.
Oh, ooh, oh. Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah, that's a big one. Oopsie.
This video from 2015
Oopsie. Hey,
Kioski and chat. How's day 6 going? Skjulix.
I'm still here. I still have a voice.
shows some sailors
A little.
about to take on a giant wave.
Uh-oh.
That's God.
In 20
Holy shit, it's so big. Okay, but imagine this. You have the footage, but you have your VR glasses on you, and you are like somewhere here and here. That you sit and you're in a VR. Oh my god, I would fucking love that. Have you seen ever that big? Nuh-uh. It would be so good. Subnautica 2 looks great. Yeah. Very hot. Also, someone splashes water into your face. Yeah. Amen.
That's God.
In 2021, these firefighters were driving through some pretty crazy wildfires in California.
Yum. Someone casually practicing their
A
fireball
6.7
skills.
magnitude earthquake interrupted this couple's wedding.
Dude, maybe that's like a sign. Maybe God was like, hey dude, there's still a chance. If you run real quick, you can stop the tragedy from the future. Please.
This dad tried to save his trampoline.
Like, only you can save us, dude. Please. Get us to marry one of the homies.
from being blown away in the wind.
Bennett, get out of there!
He will get taken too.
That guy is like, I paid for this trampoline. It's not going anywhere.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Bennett!
Bennett didn't want the trampoline to go away because Bennett knows that Bennett have to rebuy this after the trampoline went away. And he does not want to rebuy this. He wants to play Cyberpunk new DLC.
This video
Bennett, please!
from Guatemala is probably the only video in the world like this.
Dicen que es grande, ¿va mucha?
Oh!
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo
agarraste.
lo agarré, cabal.
This is called a crown flash and it was spotted in Florida back in 2020.
That's aliens, lads. I know. Do it all the time to draw the humans.
Hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy.
It's aliens.
Whoa, look at that. The red one just.
What?
Whoa, look at that. The.
Bro, how can you expect, like, people who are not educated to look at the sky and not think that there is someone fucking up there?
Holy.
Look at that. How? It's aliens.
Whoa, look at that. The red one, just see that?
Sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually get lightning.
Stupid people be stupid. I'm just saying. Maybe it's still aliens.
Whoa.
Ah.
In April 2022, this massive tornado hit Kansas.
Damn. Don't take the flag. You can't. America!
This is what it's like to get
lives
struck by lightning.
on. The flag survived. Barely, but it survived. It was still standing. God, I love the United States of America.
This is what it's like to get struck by lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane. In 2018,
Well, they can't fucking see shit. Holy shit.
one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Wyoming was recorded.
Oh my god. Isn't it crazy that this thing exists in real life and it's not just only a movie thing? Like, for someone who lives in an area where you can't have tornadoes at all, for me it's like fucking baffling that it's not just a movie thing. Like, someone sees this in real life.
Wyoming was recorded.
Big boy, yeah. Look at that. Oh my god. That was a big fucking boy. Sku, flash news. Sku, Hungary had tornadoes in the past. What? We can't afford that.
Mira. No, el que viene de abajo. No.
Wow.
In 2018, 4 waterspouts emerged on the coast of Thailand.
Oh, that's fucking scary. I would be like, nah, going back to the hotel. Go down to the basement. I don't care. What is scary enough, but 4? Please.
A
Look at
sinkhole
that.
in Illinois randomly opened up on the coast.
Look at that. And everyone is just like, yeah, I'm gonna take a footage. That's nuts.
of Thailand.
It's for...
A sinkhole in Illinois randomly opened up earlier this year.
I love holes. Look at that hole. I'm going to ask something very stupid, but how where the hole came from? Where did the hole come from? Like, was there water? Where did the water come from? Where is the dirt? Seeping water? Is it?
Nice.
Where is it coming from? What is it doing?
All that untapped free electricity and lightning.
Yum yum. Where's life coming from? Well, I know that, but where is the hole coming from?
They were driving down a road in Sydney, Australia when this happened.
Wow!
Whoa.
Oh my god.
This guy was in a pool when an earthquake happened in Taiwan earlier this year.
My boy's just chilling. It's like, this is actually not that bad. Kind of relaxing, actually.
This house in Hawaii was devoured by lava back in 2018.
Yeah, he's literally doing the cat dance. He's like, yeah, left and right. I'm just
This
chilling.
house in Hawaii was devoured by lava back in 2018.
Nice. Just blow it away. It's like a candle, just like... No!
These houses in
It's fine. Look, it's a tumbleweed. I love tumbleweeds. There's so many tumbleweeds. This is exactly how my hair looks like.
Montana got buried under some tumbleweeds.
I love it. Oh my god, I wanna live right here. Look at it. It's such a lovely tumbleweed. It's me. It's literally me. Calm your shit. You can't tame the wildness, okay? Hello! Hello, hello! Hey, go Pesco! Hello, hello! We were just admiring a bunch of tumbleweeds that looks like me.
These houses...
This is me, Halo. I am under the tumbleweed. It's my hair. It's me. Tumbleweed is a massive problem. Listen, I always say you have to be the problem, not the solution. Okay? That's what you deserve. Thank you, Halo, for the raid.
This in Montana got buried under some tumbleweeds.
It's me. I am the problem. This is me. Yep. At least I'm memorable in that way. It's like, oh yeah, Skew was a fucking pain in the ass. Yep. I can't fucking go home. Everybody's just on board. I actually think it might be funny. Is it spiky? I actually never touched a tumbleweed. Does it have like little thorns or spikes on it? Or is it just like, you know, round, whatever? Not really. Yes. Kinda. It's dry and pointy. Just like me. But okay, so... Okay, I have a question. So... There is the tumbleweed, right? That obviously tumbles. What... like... How does it look like when it's not tumbling? Like, is there like a baby sprout of tumbleweed that is just like still green and has leaves? Or is it just like tiny seeds? It looks like a bush. I have to. Tumbleweed. I see. Yes. Okay. I wanna see it. They can have flowers. Oh my god, they can be pink. That's so beautiful. What the fuck? So they look like this, but they are just like not tumbling? Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, it's these bastards. And then they just decide that we are not green anymore and they just start migrating. Oh, I see. The more you know. Yeah, and they roll. And then they cause trouble for everyone. Amazing. Yeah.
Oh my god!
What? I didn't even see it. I didn't see anything. What the fuck? It was just like, oh my god. This looks like a bowl of cereal. You have the milk, you have like the Cheerios in it. You're ready to take a bite. Yum yum yum. Holy shit. Human cereal. Look at that. That's so many. So many.
Back in 2020,
So loud. Why are you focused on food? Because I was eating my cereal and then there was that guy balls deep into his nose eating the ficus. And I don't want to eat anymore.
a huge meteor lit up the sky in Idaho.
Yeah. Is what?
In 2020,
Don't worry about it.
a snowstorm in New York mixed with freezing rain, turning their homes into ice.
Oh, that's going to be fun to clean off. Damn. It looks like it's covered with frozen cum. Beautiful.
In
Yep. Where's my salt now? See, I'm bringing my salt. My house is going to be comfy.
In June
Thank you.
2020, a massive landslide took place in Norway and went into the sea.
Ah.
Bye bye house.
Yeah.
All the homes were empty, so luckily nobody was hurt.
It's house cereal. Look at them. Yum yum. Does it mean that you have a lake house like this? Because your house is in a lake? Maybe you can sell it like that. Or rent it out as Airbnb. You will never have an Airbnb closer to the lake.
All the homes were empty, so luckily nobody was hurt. In 2022, Puerto Rico had flooding that was so severe that it destroyed this bridge.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bye-bye. No, the child was the chosen one. How could you?
In
She was the chosen one.
In 2019,
You wouldn't steal a bridge. How about the child? Look at that. The child was meant to be. Brum. It's so crazy. It just came out of nowhere. Like, look, like there is nothing, and then a little bit of dust forms behind him, and it's like boom. There's nothing. His fault for farting, dude. The legendary vacuum
in
fart.
2019, a glacier in Iceland fell into the water, creating a massive wave.
Catcher was using his Jedi Force powers.
Damn. That's cheating. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Time to run.
These tourists on a cruise ship suddenly experienced some extreme static electricity.
Oh god, how much I wish there would be a bald guy and would just stand there with a singular hair strand.
This is actually a pretty scary warning sign, as it means lightning could strike at any moment.
Oh man.
In 2019
They're just like, wait, it's so good.
in Amsterdam, this tornado was created within
Amsterdam?
seconds.
Listen, what the Yeah, a tornado.
Uh-oh. I see. So this is what you guys are going to do on the boat?
Wyoming had
Get sucked?
some pretty strong winds that happened earlier this year in
Damn.
April 2024.
Yes. Uh-oh. Ooh, oh. That's me, Euro Truck Simulator.
This giant tornado.
Yep, I can do this without the wind too. Not to flex on you like that, but yeah.
This giant tornado was seen moving through Canada.
It's going to places. Hooray!
That is the end of this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.